In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Fortnite lag on my PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to go into Games right here and then select Fortnite. And then on your controller, you're going to click on this Options button right here and then click on Check for Update. And if you have a new update, update it in here, of course. And now after that, you're going to go into Settings right here and then click on Users and Accounts. Then we're going to scroll down and click on Other and click on Restore Licenses. Then select Fortnite and then click on Restore. Just wait a couple of seconds. And now when it's done, we're going to go back to this page right here and then go into Network. So now on Network, you're going to go into Settings and then click on Set up Internet Connection. And now, once again, on your connected Wi-Fi right here, you're going to once again click on this Options button right here and then click on Advanced Settings. And in here, just scroll down and set the DNS settings from automatic to manual instead. And the primary DNS should be 1.1.1.1. The secondary DNS is going to be 1.0.0.1. And then click on OK right here. This might give you an even stronger signal than before, just so you know. At least it did it for me. I got a really good signal after I did this for some reason. So now when you have done all of these steps, go back and try the game once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.